1, 2, 3.
Yes, fellas. So, as you can see, Wessequibo boards are taking this game to another level. We are well uniformed. We have here the Wessequibo boards, West Vibes, stamp on. That's our logo. Turn around. If you want, you have your name at the back. You understand? Barlade, which is the champion. You know, and this is how we do it. As you can see, LFS.
The general family.
General family, you know. What the fellas, we well uniformed, we well organized, we are team, we are family, and we are sticking together. Boom!
Roll out.
So, come forward, please.
Smile for the camera. Aye. Got you.
Vicky and Kadir, yeah, come close, please.
Smile for the camera.
Vicky,
Good.
Lil Boss and Gary. Vicky, Kadir. Don't afraid to come and give the boss the trophy.
Smile for the camera. Good.
Gary, on behalf of the loser, I want to present this to you. Congratulations.
Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera. Congratulations. Barlade versus Chris.
You gone.
On behalf of Chris, the loser, I want to present this to you. Congratulations. Solfi versus Sir Cliff.
Smile for the camera, please. Say cheese.
And Lucky. Pardon the restless president. Come and do the honors, you loser.
Shafiq.
Somebody wants to get caught on camera stealing this.
Smile for the camera. All right. And the final.
Fellas, this is the moment we all have been waiting for. This is the phenomenal moment. This is the moment that all the boards were preparing for. This is the moment that each and every one of you have been putting your time, putting your money, putting your effort, putting your energy into. And this is the crown, the one and only bragging rights champion 2021-2022, Wessequibo boards. And we're going to call forth the winner. If you could help me.
Barlade!
Shout out. No other than
Barlade!
Congratulations.
Smile for the camera.
Fellas, we all are champions. Whether your board didn't come out successful today, tomorrow it will come out on top. So have a blessed day, have a productive day. Keep on doing what you're doing and make sure that here.
Smile for the camera. Yeah. I see you, the man. Good.
Right? And here, let us support these men in getting the job done on the ground. You understand? Let us support them. Right? Good. Right? Let us support them. Fellas, the responsibility is on your side. Like this right here. I mean, we can communicate and all that kind of thing, you understand me? It don't mean that we're like a left yard for y'all own and say, y'all got tried the yard. No. Right? I'll still come over, we got to communicate, we have to communicate. Anyways, we have to communicate, right? Because it's like, this team will be working with the same 3-man team over there. We got to communicate, right? So nothing ain't going down. Anything, remember we running now as a body. Race, anybody racing, anybody want to race under the club or under the group, right? They have to contact us. They can't just jump up and say that one